Hello guys, so we are on lecture 2. So this is the second part of lecture 2. So we have completed up to this. Now we're going to start from software engineering ethics. Software engineering involves wider responsibilities than simply the application of technical skills. Of course, software engineering must behave in an honest and ethically responsible way if they are to be respected as professionals. So remember, you are the professionals, software professionals, so you must maintain the ethics. Ethical behavior must be in your personality. That is what calls the software ethics. Issues of professional responsibility. So whenever you will be the professional, at that time you have some responsibility. The main two responsibility they are highlighting is confidentiality and competence. Confidentiality means user will share so many secret information with you, so it is your duty to keep that secret inside of you. That's all. And competence means engineers should not be misrepresent their level of competence. They should knowingly accept work which is out with their competence, of course. Intellectual property rights. So engineers should be aware of local laws governing the use of intellectual property such as patents, copyright. So you're not allowed to steal anyone's job. Computer misuse. Software engineers should not use their technical skills to misuse other people's computer. I have told you, if you need 1 megabyte to build a software, why you will waste another 1 or 2 megabyte? So build it on 1 megabyte. Don't waste the resources. So if you go through the Ian Somerville's book, you will have some case studies. Let's have a look on the Ian Somerville's book, whether I have downloaded or not. Let's see. Yes, I have downloaded. It's taking some time. Okay, it has come. Okay, so here, as you can see, it's Ian Somerville's book. On the first chapter of this book, you will able to see some case studies. See, these are the case studies, and they have, this is the first case studies, like an insulin pump control system. Second, and these are the details of the first case study. Second case study is about a patient information system for mental health care. Okay, so these are the details of that case study. And last one is a wilderness weather station. So this is the details of that case study. Okay, so why they have considered these case studies here? Because to be a good software engineer, you must gather the information about different kind of software. Suppose you're gonna build a point of sale software, but as you know, right now there are thousands of point of sale softwares are available in the market. So how to be unique among those all software? So you have to research on those existing software, then you will able to build your unique software. So that's why they have considered this kind of case studies as a part of our lectures. Okay, so go through the details of these lectures by yourself and let me know if you have any problem. Okay, I'm not gonna describe all of this. Personal, I'm going through, like, personal insulin pump control system is an embedded system. Okay, so it will push the insulin of a patient whenever sugar level is going up or down. Then mental health care patient management it seems like an patient management system, and a wilderness weather station system is like it's a data collection system. It collects the data from the weather, and it gives us the weather broadcast. Okay, so these are the, and these pictures as you seen on the book, these pictures are not available, but these pictures are available on the Ian Somerville's website. Okay, go through that website and collect your desired information. This is the end of the case studies. Now generic view of process. Two views: timely delivery, high quality result. Okay, so timely delivery is a quite challenging part of software engineering, and high quality result means, you will see on the next slide here, software engineering is a layer technology. Now, can anyone tell me this hierarchy starts from tools to quality focus or quality focus to tools? If you can guess the right one, so I can give you the answer. Like, at first it will start from the quality focus, then process, then method, then tool. That's why it is said high quality result. Okay, so that means whenever we are going to use the technology in our software, at the time, at first we have to focus on our quality, then the process. That means the processes we gonna take, the methods how we gonna do it, and tools by which we gonna do it. Okay, tools come at last, quality at come at first. Now you just go through by yourself methods. Method describe how to, process describe enable timely delivery through framework and work product. See here, one thing is very important: framework activities. Now I think you're gonna have the framework activities: software process framework activity. This is a well-known diagram, everyone read it. And whatever the processes we are going to take in software, that is the uh, that is the that is called actually process framework. That everything is under process framework. Okay, so here as you can see, uh, these process frameworks are called umbrella activities. Under this umbrella activities, you can see framework activities number 1, and the next frame is framework activities number n. That means these activities are divided into in several numbers from 1 to n. Under each framework activities, we will have software engineering action 1.1. This one is coming from this one, and this is the software engineering action 1. Okay, and each action is divided into some task sets. The task sets are task, work product, quality assurance point, project milestone. Okay, so this next software engineering action number is 1.n. Okay, so this n is the last software engineering action of this framework activities 1. After that, the next framework activities number 1 will start. Okay, so this is the main hierarchy, or main process, or main way to do our activities, to complete our activities. At first, the work task, that means what we are gonna do. Work product, that means on which the product we are gonna achieve. quality assurance point, like that first we have to focus the qualities and project milestone. That means we have to keep track of the milestone. That means the whole project milestone, suppose a 6 month milestone suppose we have, then this 6 months is divided into some months, like 1 month, 2 month, then this months is divided into some weeks are divided into some days. This is how we make the schedule. Okay, and every time we have to track day by day, week by week, whether our milestone is achieved or not. So this hierarchy is called the software process framework activity, and this is called well-known umbrella activities. And this framework process, that means the work task contains of these functionalities or these methods or these processes. At first, communication, as you know, then planning, modeling, construction, deployment. So overall, this is the software engineering is a combination of this all. So we are going to start from the communication, and when we will reach up to deployment, our software engineering course will be finished. Okay, communication means requirement collection, planning means like the cost estimation, time estimation, these are the planning. Modeling means the analysis and design. Construction means the coding and testing. Deployment means the releasing of the software and maintaining of the software. Sorry. Software project tracking and control. So how we have to track and control the software project. The first thing is risk management. So what do you think? Why we are considering risks here? Because uh, suppose one kind of risk may be like your employee resign from your company, then what you will do? Okay, it's a risk. We have to consider this kind of risk. Software quality assurance, of course. Formal technical review, that means every time we have to review our work. Measurement, that I called cost estimation. Software configuration management. Visibility management, like means it means you must build your software in such a way that you can reuse on later on. Work product preparation and production. These are the key points. We have just gone through the key points. So this is the end of the lecture 2.